Decree is for divorce.
My lord. My lord, it was by mutual consent.
By mutual consent. Who filed the suit?
My lord, the suit was filed by the respondent wife.
Wife.
My lord. According to the passports and the visa, also the age is 31 years.
We will issue notice. Find out some judgment.
My lord. I am also
151. Your application may be under section 151.
My lord, it is in 151 and 152. At page
Which number? 82.
My
Yes.
lord, I have filed this revision against order annexure P1 at page number 10, whereby my application under section 152 of CPC has been dismissed.
152.
My lord.
What is 152?
My lord, 152 is for correction in the judgments and decree, whereby arising out of any arithmetical clerical error. My lord, what has happened in the cause title of the judgment and decree, which was passed by the family court, I have annexed the judgment and decree as P2 at page number 12. The age of the applicant was wrongly mentioned as 25 years, whereas his age is 31 years. And I have sought correction for this age.
Yes.
Which was dismissed, my lord. The parties have filed an application under section 7 of the Family Courts Act for seeking declaration of divorce, which was allowed, and a judgment and decree annexure P2 was passed, wherein in the cause title, age of the husband, present applicant, was wrongly mentioned. And this error was initially on the part of the parties itself at the time of filing of the suit, and we were seeking a correction.
152 लाइएगा. Decree is for divorce.
My lord. My lord.
In your favor.
My lord, it was by mutual consent.
By mutual consent.
If my lord may permit, I may read 152.
Yes, please read.
Amendment of the judgment, decrees or orders. Clerical or arithmetical mistakes in the judgments, decrees or orders, or errors arising therein from any accidental slip or omission may at any time be corrected by court, either on its own motion or on the application of any of the parties.
Yes. Who filed the suit?
My lord, the suit was filed by the respondent wife.
Wife.
My lord. But it was by way of mutual consent. My lord, also I have annexed along with my application statement of the petitioner, which was recorded before the learned family court at annexure P4, page 22. In the statements also, my lord, on right hand side, the age is written as 31 years. And the passport and visa of the applicant were also marked as exhibits before the learned family court. According to the passports and the visa, also the age is 31 years. That is annexure P6, my lord.
Yes. Whether 152 would apply?
My lord.
What is the mistake, clerical mistake in the judgment and decree?
My lord, the cause title.
Whether cause title is part of the judgment and decree?
My lord. My lord, I am also relying on an judgment of Honorable Apex Court. If my lord may permit, I may pass it on.
What does it say?
My lord, it says in paragraph number 43 at page number 808, if in our opinion, in order to invoke powers under section 152 of the code, two conditions must be present. First, there has to be judgment or decree or an order, as the case
You are
may
reading
be.
which para?
My lord, I am reading paragraph number 43, page number 808,
Yes,
second
yes.
last. In our opinion, in order to invoke powers under section 152 of the code, two conditions must be present. First, there has to be a judgment or decree or an order as the case may be, and second, the judgment or decree or order as the case may be must contain any clerical or arithmetical error for its rectification. In other words, 152 of the code contemplates that the court has passed the judgment, decree or the order and the same contains some clerical or arithmetical error.
So what is the mistake? It's your mistake.
My lord, indeed it was
mistake of the parties in description.
My lord,
whether cause title can be treated to be a part of the judgment and decree.
My lord, it will be treated as the part of the judgment and decree. And my lord, indeed the mistake was on the by the parties at the time of filing of the initial suit.
It could have been corrected prior to passing of the decree. If there was any mistake in the description, age or address or any name mistakes, it should have been corrected in the amendment is made in the pleadings, amendment is made in the, and this power 152 says clerical mistake in the judgment and the decree.
But my lord, cause title will be a part of judgment and decree.
Where do you get that cause title is part of the judgment and decree?
My lord, I may be granted a week's time. I will address on this point.
We will issue notice. Find out some judgment.
My lord.
MS Purva.
If my lord may permit, I am also
151. Your application may be under section 151.
My lord, it is in 151 and 152. At page number
151 is inherent power of the court. No?
My lord, it was in 151 and 152. At page number 3, annexure P3, I have filed the application also, which I moved before the Learned Family Court.
We will hear the other side.
My lord.
MS Purva Mahajan, Learned Counsel for the applicant, issue notice to the respondent on payment of PF within